It's quiet now. This is a little video on snow removal. This is my own driveway. I wasn't home today to do it. My neighbor did it for me. I had a bunch of others to do. We got a lot of snow in the garage too. So you can tell it was a pretty busy afternoon. I've been out since for about 7 hours. I took a break for dinner for maybe an hour, but had both machines going today. At one point in time, I had to that's the big one right there. That's the 2-stager, which we need for aprons on driveways and driveways that haven't been touched at all or ran over by cars and stuff. We use the 2-stager for that. It's a 2003 Toro Power Max 826. The Toro does their number designations. 8 means it has 8 horsepower. 26 means it has 26 inch wide clearing path. That's a 2003 unit. It was bought brand new at Sohar's Power Equipment in Macedonia. I bought it used from some guy way out on the east side in Lake Hiram. This was actually the first major storm that this machine was actually used in. I used it for 8 driveways today. The second one is the Toro Power Clear 721. That's a single-stage snowblower. The difference between these two is the single stage is meant to clean down to pavement. It's meant for lighter snowfalls. The snow we had today, the single stage can handle better than previous snowfalls. The rubber paddle on the single stage will go right down to pavement for the most part. You can see where I did a couple passes with the single stage. The advantage of the 2-stage though is if you have a driveway that's not been plowed at all, it can tear through that a lot better. And it can do aprons and stuff a lot better. Plus it's self-propelled, which makes a big difference. It's also more productive. I did a huge driveway today on Narragansett and Riverside Drive in Lakewood, Ohio, just myself with this unit, and I was amazed that I was able to do it as well as I could. This unit would have taken forever with that. What this unit is good for is close-ups. Close up to someone's driveway, close to someone's house, close to someone's car. You have better control. Nooks and crannies, small paths, things like that, smaller snowfall. That's what I pretty much use that unit for. I don't use it for major cleanup anymore. Mostly when I'm working on my own and doing big driveways and stuff, it's this unit all the way. It's got a bigger gas tank. It's got more throwing capacity. This thing will throw snow. It'll throw snow to a front yard and a half. It does move. This one is okay too, but it's not the same. The controls on this one, you can control the chute and the adjust right there from the stick right there. That one you have to adjust that manually, and then you can control how you want to go with that blue slide on the left-hand side there. Both that machine there I bought brand new 2 seasons ago at Worcester's Power Equipment in North Ridgeville. I think I paid $700-800 for it. They're both good machines and they both have their place. That's why I have both of them. Both of them are equipped with electric start. I wouldn't have it any other way. Usually what I do is the first cold start, I start them on the starter motor, and then once they're warmed up and I'm going from job to job, I'll just pull the pull cord. That's the long and short of it for what I use for snow removal. Today I did, let's see here. I'm trying to think. How many driveways did I do after work? 1, 2. Then I went and did that other woman. That was 3. Says 3. Then I did Steve's. That was 4. Then I went and did the other 2, 5, 6. Then I went and did the 7. Took a break. came back and did 8. So I had 8 driveways today, plus transit time. So I've been out here 7 out, almost 8 hours now. Finally getting done. I know my garage is a mess here. There's snow everywhere. There's snow everywhere. We've got here at the command center. I got some salt there sitting on the trailer, in case we need it. These are our leaf machines. That's what we use during leaf season for leaf pickup of people's yards. I don't really like to blow because I don't like to use a blower because you have to chase the stuff. I do have a backpack blower though, right there. It's a big one, Echo, and then I have an Echo handheld vacuum which I use a lot. Let's see here. Then here's our power sweeper, which I actually may use. This driveway tomorrow, I'm gonna have to go over it with probably not tomorrow, but one of these days I'm gonna have to go over this driveway with the single stage snowblower again. I'm all snow blowed out right now. This is the sweeper. Sometimes I use it for in the garage and stuff, and some snow stuff. Trailer dolly. There's our others. There's a spare leaf vac. Let's see here. I do have this bag needs to be replaced, and in that box is the replacement parts for the new bag for this machine. This is our spare leaf machine. The difference between these two machines is that one is self-propelled and this one isn't. This one is the backup, although it runs really good. They're both the best leaf machines on the market for leaf vacs. Anyhow, I'm gonna pack it in for the night. I've had all I can fill. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.